Welcome to the channel. Let's talk shop, folks. In any factory, big or small, keeping those machines humming is priority number one. That's where total productive maintenance, or TPM, comes in. Think of it like keeping your work truck in tip-top shape. Regular maintenance means less downtime, more parts rolling off the line, and everybody wins. TPM ain't just about fixing stuff when it breaks though. It's about preventing those breakdowns in the first place. We're talking clean, lubricated, and adjusted machines, humming along like a choir. And a well-oiled machine is a safe machine. Nobody wants to see a wrench get launched across the factory floor. But it's more than just safety. TPM is about respect. Respect for the equipment that helps us earn a living, and respect for the environment we all share. That means reducing waste, cutting emissions, and being mindful of our impact on the planet. So, whether you're a seasoned machinist or just starting out, remember this. TPM is about working smarter, not harder. It's about taking pride in our work and leaving things better than we found them. Another crucial aspect of TPM is the concept of zero accidents. This means striving for a workplace where no accidents occur, ensuring the safety and well-being of all employees. By implementing strict safety protocols, regular training, and continuous monitoring, we can create an environment where accidents are a thing of the past. Zero accidents isn't just a lofty goal, it's a commitment to every single person on the floor. It's about creating a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility, where we look out for one another and take proactive steps to eliminate hazards. Imagine a workplace where everyone feels confident, protected, and valued. That's the power of aiming for zero accidents. It's not just about numbers, it's about people. And when we prioritize the well-being of our team, we create a stronger, more resilient workplace for all. The Japan Institute of Plant Maintenance, JIPM, wrote the book on this stuff, literally. They've got this step-by-step guide to make sure everyone goes home with all their fingers and toes. Step 1 is all about spotting the hazards. Walk the floor, look for potential danger zones, and flag them. Step 2 is about figuring out how bad things could get. Could someone get a cut? Lose a limb? Knowing the risks helps us prioritize. Step 3 is where we get proactive. Install guards on machinery, put up warning signs, and make sure everyone's got the right safety gear. Step 4 is about training. Everyone on the floor needs to know the safety protocols like the back of their hand. Finally, Step 5 is about staying vigilant. Regularly review those safety procedures, make sure they're still up to snuff, and don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. Remember, safety is a team effort. We've covered keeping folks safe, but what about this planet we call home? An environmentally friendly system is a safe system. First up, we gotta tackle emissions. That means keeping those machines tuned up and running efficiently. Think of it like a well-maintained engine, less smoke and more power. Next, let's talk waste. Every scrap of material that ends up in the landfill is money down the drain and another ding against Mother Nature. TPM is about finding ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Water usage is another big one. Manufacturing can be thirsty work, but we can't just keep draining the well. TPM is about finding ways to conserve water, whether it's through more efficient processes or rainwater harvesting systems. Finally, let's not forget about energy. Those machines don't run on good vibes alone. TPM is about finding ways to reduce energy consumption, whether it's through energy-efficient lighting or upgrading to more efficient equipment. Remember, a greener factory is a safer factory for everyone. The concept of zero waste in TPM is crucial. By reducing waste, reusing materials, and recycling, we not only protect the environment but also enhance efficiency. Zero waste means every material is a resource, not just trash. This approach leads to a more sustainable and cost-effective manufacturing process. Section 4. The right stuff skills for a solid TPM team. Now, you can have all the fancy systems in the world, but without the right people, it's all for naught. So what makes a good TPM team member? First and foremost, you gotta be a problem solver. TPM is all about identifying issues before they become major headaches. Next, you gotta be a team player. TPM ain't a solo sport. It takes everyone working together, from the shop floor to the corner office, to make it happen. Communication is key, folks. You also gotta be willing to learn and adapt. The world of manufacturing is constantly evolving, and so are the challenges we face. A good TPM team member is always looking for ways to improve their skills and knowledge. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, you gotta have a positive attitude. TPM is about creating a culture of continuous improvement, and that starts with a can-do spirit. And remember, every incident, no matter how small, should be thoroughly investigated. Understanding the root causes helps in preventing future occurrences and improving overall safety and efficiency. Section 5 TPM every day, making it routine. Alright, so we've talked about the what and the why of TPM. Now let's get down to the how. How do we make TPM part of our daily grind? It's all about building good habits. Just like brushing your teeth or checking the oil in your truck, TPM has to become second nature. Start with the basics. Make sure everyone on the team is doing their daily equipment checks. Cleanliness is next to godliness, so keep those workstations tidy. A little bit of organization goes a long way. Next, encourage everyone to speak up if they see something that ain't right. A loose bolt here, a strange noise there. Those little things can turn into big problems if they're ignored. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Finally, make time for TPM. Schedule regular team meetings to discuss progress, identify areas for improvement, and share best practices. TPM is a journey, not a destination, and it takes ongoing effort to make it stick. Section 6. The big wins, why TPM matters. So we've covered a lot of ground here. But let's not lose sight of the big picture. Why does TPM matter? For starters, it's good for business. Less downtime means more production, which means more money in everyone's pockets. But it goes beyond the bottom line. TPM is about creating a safer, healthier, and more sustainable workplace. It's about reducing our impact on the environment and ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. And let's not forget about the human element. TPM is about empowering workers to take ownership of their work and contribute to a culture of continuous improvement. It's about creating a workplace where everyone feels valued and respected. So the next time you're on the job, take a moment to think about TPM. It's not just about keeping those machines running, it's about building a better future for all of us. And that's something worth striving for. In this chapter, we will delve into the importance of including a risk analysis in all standards before they are deployed to everyone in the organization. Risk analysis is a critical step in ensuring that potential hazards are identified and mitigated before they can cause harm. Imagine rolling out a new procedure without first examining the potential risks involved. It might seem efficient at first, but hidden dangers could lurk beneath the surface, waiting to disrupt operations or cause harm. By conducting a thorough risk analysis, we can proactively address issues, improve safety, and ensure that our standards are robust and effective. This not only protects our employees, but also enhances the overall efficiency and reliability of our operations. A well-executed risk analysis is like a safety net, catching potential problems before they become real issues. It's about foresight and preparation, ensuring that every possible hazard is considered and mitigated. Think of it as building a strong foundation for a house. Without a solid base, the entire structure is at risk. Similarly, without a comprehensive risk analysis, our standards and procedures are vulnerable to unforeseen dangers. Remember, a well-executed risk analysis is the foundation of a safe and successful workplace. It empowers us to take control of our safety and operational efficiency, ensuring that we are always one step ahead of potential hazards. So, as we continue to implement and refine our standards, let's make risk analysis a non-negotiable step in the process. By doing so, we're not just protecting ourselves and our colleagues. We're building a safer, more reliable future for everyone. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights on how TPM can transform your workplace.